Ayan na.
The reason I can tell that they're gray whales is because they have that kind of that a little bit of discoloration on their backs like that. A little bit of that white, spotty white stuff on their backs like that. See all that spotty white mixed in with it? Yeah, it's a pretty signature of a gray whale. The humpbacks are more defined white spots on them.
Mamadali yung boto para maabutan nila yung ano, yung whale. Paalis na eh.
What happened to that other two?
Dito sa likod natin.
Tail.
That's not the tail?
It's a tail. Oh. Oh, two.
Oh, laki.
Three.
Yeah, family. Definitely in a little intact family. You know, they just hang right straight, right together like that.
Pabalik naman na sila uli. Yun na yun.
Still, that's still
Binayaran ko.
Following this.
Dapat yung malapit lang dito, no? Yun. Hindi, dito lang siya. Oh.
Oh. Bawal yun. Bawal ka get break.
Pag uwi natin ng Pilipinas, matatabihan mo talaga.
You'd pet it?
You can
Yeah.
hold it. Ano na ma? Mamaya ubo-ubo ka na. Hindi ka